Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
It Sounds on Saturday, the soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives, playing you music that you never knew you never knew. Sisso and Linda Womack on Understanding. Yeah, understanding, especially in issues where Comrade Cupid might just have an insurable interest in. Whereas I'm just humble me. It's John on microphone number 1, and I'm just here to rock your souls. Understand?
It seems like only yesterday I didn't have a clue. I stood alone not knowing where to turn. Now suddenly I look around, everything looks new. I don't know why, but I think I'm starting to learn. They call it understanding, willingness to grow. I'm finally understanding. There's so much I could know. Until the day you came along, I used to just get lost. I only heard the things I wanted to hear. Always seemed like no one cared. Then you took the time, and now I look and everything seems clear. You've got me understanding. You've really helped me see. I'm finally understanding. It's meant so much to me. Got me understanding. You've given me some pride. I'm finally understanding. You're really on my side. Really on my side. Yeah, yeah. Understanding, understanding.
You got me understanding.
Understanding, understanding. You got me understanding.
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
Understanding by Bob Seger with his buddies equals the Silver Bullet Band. Whereas I think I'll just bite the bullet and pronounce we're so done with this thing called understanding, at least for this week and on this show. What do you think, Nick?
As I walk this wicked world, searching for light in the darkness of insanity. Oh yeah, I ask myself, is all hope gone? Is there only pain, hatred, and misery? Oh yeah, and each time I feel like this inside, there's one thing I wanna know. What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Ooh, what's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? And as I walk on through troubled times, my spirit gets so downhearted sometimes. When strong? And who are the trusting? And where is the harmony, sweet harmony now? 'Cause each time I feel it slipping away, it just makes me wanna cry. What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Ooh, what's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Trusting, and where is the harmony, sweet harmony now? 'Cause each time I feel it slipping away, it just makes me wanna cry. What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding?
Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
Forget about Curtis Tiger's version. These guys' full names are Nicholas Drain Lowe, our known simply in the joy business as Nick Lowe, an Englishman in England. He's a singer, songwriter, and majors in what they call pub rock. They say here, except I don't really do pubs, but anyway, you get the general idea. Power pop as well, and new wave. What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Indeed. Next week, how big or was the smallest vinyl record one could buy? How big or small was the smallest vinyl single one could buy? Oh, I think I'm all danced out and all rocked out, Makopa. How about you?
Thank you, and all protocols observed to the Radio Commissioner General from Classic 263 Radio in Zimbabwe, including our networked fans on Zambezi Soul Radio in the United Kingdom, GalaxyRadio.net in Germany, and New Kid on the Block, Canada's Chenso and Pals from 263 Network in Nova Scotia. The cat here on behalf of the boss will be back on the musical prowl next week.
Meow! Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
All output on Sounds on Saturday is protected under intellectual property and copyright restrictions.
And as always, what a great show with John the Boss and Hardcat. SOS coming to an end, and we get straight down to the playlist for today. Sina Makosa, Rorex with Les Wanyika. Emotionally Yours, The OJs. Madzongonyedze, Oliver Mtukudzi. Madzongonyedze, Ja Lemi. Still within the same title, Madzongonyedze, Camille Madeline. Celine Dion and R. Kelly, I'm Your Angel. Celine Dion and The Whispers, that is a kid jamming mashup, I'm Alive. Calvin and Muzi, Tombo Farah. Gabriel, Sometimes. Understanding from Womack and Womack. Same title once again, Understanding, Bob Seger. And finally, What's So Funny about Peace, Love, and you guessed it right, Understanding, Nick Lowe. The SOS makes a return next week Saturday on your favorite dial with John the Boss and Hardcat. Peace and love. Otis the Flow signing off. Have yourselves a great one, and ciao.
Sounds on Saturday is the place to be for fun on Saturdays. It's the soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives. Send them over via text or voice notes and automatically qualify for prizes galore, like airtime vouchers, food vouchers, celebrity autographed t-shirts and caps, cash prizes, bicycles. The list is endless. Listen out for details. Our updated WhatsApp details are: the local number is +263 719 498 651. That number again is plus 263 719 498 651. Our international number is plus 44 7751 022 922. That number again is plus 44 7751 022 922. Let's have some fun on Sounds on Saturday.
Keep this frequency clear.